what a sell trade I took on Boom 1000 index. Welcome back to another video, guys. So I sold this index yesterday at this point, and I've been holding on to these sales for hours now. I hold on to these sales to the next day, which is today, a new day, and I'm still expecting more sales. I shared this sell signal to my VIP members, and we've taken profits. We've taken a lot of profits from these sales. So what's the market analysis? Basically, how did I know this index is going to sell from this my sell point? So here in today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys my market analysis, my market breakdown, and view on the 1000 index, what I expect on this index. So we can see that on the weekly time frame, because you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look for trade opportunities, I start from a high time frame, and this high time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, or the monthly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, we got a strong level. I've been watching out on this index for days and weeks now. So we got this index come to this zone, and I can remember that I did a market analysis on the 1000 index, calling these sales. Told you guys that this index is on a strong level of resistance, and we are likely to see this index drop in the coming days and weeks, basically. So I spotted this key level of resistance, which we can see market reaction on. God's first reaction here as a resistance, and checking the time we got market reaction on this level, it happened months and years ago. Let's actually check. So the first reaction was on the 5th of September 2021. We can see how many months and years, this is like 2 years plus of getting this reaction from this zone, getting price set from here as a resistance. The second reaction happened on the 7th of November 2021. So on the 20th of February 2022. Right, so we got price react on this level for months and years and weeks and days, would say. So price came back to the same level. I was expecting the market to repeat the same move on getting price sell from as a resistance. We're likely to see the same thing here, because this index has been very bullish for days and weeks, would say, starting on the when this bullish move started on the 3rd of September 2023. For months now, for 7 to 8 months, this index has been very bullish. We got how many bullish days, how many bullish weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bullish days, bullish weeks, 16 weeks of bullish, constant bullish move on the 1000 index. So on price getting to this key level of resistance, we got the reduction of the bullish move. We got price sell from here the first time as a resistance. Price came back to the same level. Price tested this level 3 times, which formed a triple top formation on the daily time frame, which is a bearish reversal pattern formation. Whenever we see triple tops or triple bottoms, let's expect something massive, a massive reversal from the market. So you can see this triple top formation getting price test here. This actually means that the market, that's the bulls, tried to push past this level, but they failed. They tried the second time, they failed. They tried the third time, they failed. This shows that they have lost their buying power. They couldn't push price above this strong level of resistance, and we can see the bears came to the market and started pushing the market to the downside. So my entry point, basically, I didn't sell at this zone because we got a nice formation here. We got a nice a nice head and shoulders pattern formation here, getting the head at that point, the left shoulder here, and the right shoulder, would say, at this zone. Adding to this ascending channel formation, price formed here, got an ascending channel formation, and ascending channels are bearish continuation patterns or bearish reversal patterns. So we got one here. So I didn't sell on this zone. I think I missed out on the sales here, so I had to wait for my next possible sell point, which is at this strong level of support that price just broke below right now. So price from this head and shoulders pattern formation with this ascending channel formation, which is a nice bearish structure. So price gave the retest of this ascending channel support level, and it's been selling to the downside. So I spotted this, so my next possible level, which I identified yesterday, and was like, if price can actually give a nice break below this level, I would be shorting this index. And we can see that this is a strong level of support, because we've got price buy on this level on the test of it. We've always got price buy on this level as a support whenever price gets to it. So you can see the first reaction here. Price first reacted on this level as a resistance at this point. Resistance here, support here, right? Support at these points, at this zone. support here, and support here. So we got market reaction on this level a couple of times as a support. So I waited for price to break below this level, turning this level of support to resistance level. Already got the structure intact, which is the sales expected, at least for price to get to this zone, to this level of support on the weekly time frame, at least for price to sell to this zone, because you can see market reaction here, support, break below resistance. So I was actually expecting price to give the long sells to this point. All I had to do was look out for a possible sell zone to ride alongside with the sell. So I was able to identify one on the 4-hour time frame, which we got market reaction on this level. So on this same 4-hour time frame, you can see that price has been bearish, creating lower highs formation and lower lows formation, which is a bearish structure as well. So this added to my sell confidence on this index. Right, so we got this structure, this lower lows formation, a downtrend, a clear downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. I don't fail to identify the current trend, the lower time frame. I don't fail to identify the current trend the lower time frame is on. So we got this downtrend formation, lower highs and lower lows formation. It's this support level that got broken, which I took my sells on. Right, and this was we got a nice formation here on the 1-hour time frame, which is a head and shoulders pattern formation, would say, but not really a perfect one, because we didn't get a proper formation of the left shoulder. So we got the left shoulder there, got the head at this point, and the right shoulder basically at this zone. So you can see that price broke below this neckline as well as a strong level of support. So this kind of boost up my sell confidence on this index. So I sold this index on the break and retest of this neckline as well as this support level that got broken, turned resistance. So on the retest of it, I took my sales. You can see the retest here, the break and retest of this level, but I sold on a lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame. So I took my sales at this point, break, retest here. I sold this index at this zone, and you can see, oh well, I've been moving in profits. Got this little retracement last night, stroke this morning, early morning, right, early hours of the day. Got this index retrace a little bit, which my stop loss was actually here basically, and I've taken partial profits on this index. So on this little retracement, I was still expecting price to continue selling because of the bigger view I got on this index, because I'm long-term bearish on 1000 index. So price gave the sales. I moved my stop loss below my entry more. I pushed my stop loss more to this point, to this retracement level, and you can see how well we have been selling. We've taken partial profit on this trade, which I asked my VIP members to close out on some positions, and we'll be making good profits from this index. All right, so my target level basically on the I'm expecting price to sell to this point, to this zone in the coming hours, and my target level would be somewhere here, which I would set by the end of this video. I'm expecting price to sell to this point, and market is actually close to it, to this zone. I would be setting an automatic TP level here, which I would close out on some positions as well. So my target level would be at that point, and my next target level would be somewhere here, because we got market reaction on this zone. Got market reactions here, the resistance, support. So we could see price react on this level as well if price can break below this level of support. So a break below this level, then we'd see price sell to our expected target level, which is a strong level of support we identified on the weekly time frame. So everything is moving nicely well on this index. More sales expected in the coming hours and days and weeks on 1000 index, at least for price to sell to this zone. I don't know how long it will take, but I'm strongly expecting the sales to this point on 1000 index, and we could as well see price also sell to this zone, because we got here the double bottom formation, which we could see price come test the neckline, and we got previous test of it here, support here, resistance. So we could see price sell to this point for the buy continuation, because we got this trend forming on the weekly time frame. So markets could likely come give a test of this trend line support level, because this is a strong trend line support level. Got price buy from here as a support, trend line support. So we could see price do what? Could see the market sell to this point as a trend line support to come test this trend line support and this neckline, this level of resistance, downturn support, likely at this zone for the buy continuation. and bringing up my Fibonacci 2 to confirm our possible next zone from the swing lows to the swing highs, the recent swing lows to the recent swing highs. You could see that our potential level, reversal level, is at the 6.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at this point, which is also close to our expected support zone, right? And we could still see price react on this next level, this level of support, which is in line with the 50.0 Fibonacci retracement level. So that's it, guys. That's my analysis and view on Boom 1000 index price action. Basically, you guys can see how I was able to analyze this index from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, working with the higher time frame structure and the market view, and getting my entries in related to my market view and market expectations and analysis on the higher time frame. So that's it, guys. Smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video for more educative content like this and market breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my internal viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. It's limits load, guys. Let's do more and do enough for the peace.